If you're searching for the best 5W30 synthetic oil in 2025, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 synthetic motor oils that deliver maximum protection, performance, and engine life. Each product on our list was chosen based on quality, durability, real-world results, and customer feedback. All of today's oils meet or exceed modern vehicle manufacturer requirements. So whether you want smoother performance, better fuel economy, or extended drain intervals, this list has you covered. Let's get started with our top picks. Number 1, Royal 5W30 Synthetic Motor Oil. If you want a premium all-in-one package, the Royal Purple 5W30 Synthetic Oil is an excellent choice. This bundle comes with 6 quarts of Royal Purple oil and a Royal Purple extended life filter, giving you both performance and convenience. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles including Dodge, Ford, Jeep, Mazda, Jaguar, and more. One thing that makes Royal Purple stand out is its advanced wear protection and high-performance formulation designed to reduce friction and maximize horsepower. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA. If you want a complete kit that not only improves engine protection, but also includes a trusted filter upgrade, this is a strong pick. Number 2, Castrol Edge Synthetic Motor Oil. Next up is Castrol Edge 5W30, a high-performance oil designed for extreme conditions. Castrol claims it's 3 times stronger than the leading full synthetic when it comes to viscosity breakdown, and it delivers up to 10 times better high-stress performance. Even better, you can go up to 20,000 miles between oil changes under normal conditions, or 1 year, whichever comes first. This oil exceeds API SP and ILSAC GF7 standards and meets requirements from major automakers like Ford, GM, and Chrysler. If you drive hard, tow, or push your vehicle to its limits, Castrol Edge is one of the most durable options you can buy. Number 3, Castrol GTX Full Synthetic 5W30. Formerly known as Castrol GTX Magnatec, this new GTX Full Synthetic offers excellent everyday protection. It's specially engineered to reduce engine wear dramatically and leaves critical engine parts up to 4 times smoother, meaning less friction and better efficiency. It provides superior wear protection on parts like the camshaft and pistons, making it ideal for vehicles with higher mileage or daily commuting in tough conditions. If you want a trusted name in motor oil that balances affordability and reliable performance, Castrol GTX Full Synthetic is worth considering. Number 4, Valvoline Synthetic SAE 5W30 Oil. At number 4, we have Valvoline Full Synthetic 5W30, one of the most trusted names in motor oil for over 150 years. This formula offers advanced protection against wear, friction, heat, and deposits, keeping your engine running longer and cleaner. It's proven to provide 40% better wear protection and 25% better deposit control compared to industry standards. Plus, it's formulated in the USA and meets or exceeds ILSAC GF6A and API SP standards. If you want strong all-around protection and superior cleaning power, Valvoline Synthetic is a dependable option that has stood the test of time. Number 5, Mobil 1 Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30. Finally, we have Mobil 1 5W30 Advanced Full Synthetic, one of the most recognized motor oils in the world. Known for its triple action formula, it provides outstanding performance, protection, and cleanliness. Mobil 1 helps keep your engine safe for up to 10,000 miles between oil changes while preventing sludge and reducing engine temperatures. It also provides excellent protection across extreme temperatures, from 30 degrees in the winter to 500 degrees under heavy load. Trusted by automakers and racing teams alike, Mobil 1 remains a go-to choice for performance and reliability. That wraps up our list of the best 5W30 synthetic oils for 2025. All the product links are listed in the description below for easy access. Which one of these oils do you trust in your vehicle? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next reviews. Thanks for watching and drive safe.